Finding the perfect self-tanner can be tricky, especially when you're aiming for a natural, sun-kissed glow. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we'll dive into 7 of the best self-tanners that will give you that flawless tan you've been dreaming of. Whether you have fair, medium, or dark skin, there's something for everyone in this list. So, let's get started and find the right one for you. Number 1. B.tan Darker Self Tanner Kit. The b.tan Darker Self Tanner Kit is a great option if you're looking for a deep, natural-looking tan without the hassle. This kit comes with everything you need, including a mousse formula and a self-tanning mitt, making the application process smoother and more even. The formula is a violet base, which helps to neutralize any orange undertones and gives you a beautiful brown, sun-kissed look. It's fast-drying, so you don't have to worry about it smudging or staining your clothes. The quality of this self-tanner is excellent, and it's designed to be long-lasting, offering up to a week of color with proper care. It's ideal for people with fair to medium skin tones who want a darker tan without the harmful UV exposure. The product's formulation is designed to avoid the unpleasant fake tan smell, so you can enjoy your tan without worrying about odors. The usability of this product is user-friendly, and the self-tanning mitt included helps to ensure an even application. Whether you need a glow for a special occasion or want to maintain your tan throughout the year, the b.tan Darker Self-Tanner Kit is an excellent choice that delivers lasting results without the hassle.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Beauty by Earth Self Tanner. Beauty by Earth Self. Tanner is another fantastic option for those looking for a natural, streak-free tan. This self-tanner is made with organic ingredients like aloe vera and coconut oil, which help to hydrate and nourish your skin while giving you a beautiful golden glow. The product's design is sleek, with a convenient bottle that dispenses the right amount of product for easy application. The quality of Beauty by Earth's self-tanner is top-notch, with a gentle formula that's free from harsh chemicals like parabens and sulfates. The tan develops gradually over a few hours, allowing you to control the depth of your color. It's perfect for those who want a more subtle, natural-looking tan that doesn't appear too dark or orange. Usability is a key feature of this self-tanner. The product applies smoothly and evenly, and because of the moisturizing ingredients, it won't leave your skin feeling dry or tight. Beauty by Earth. Self-tanner is perfect for anyone seeking a natural, healthy glow without the need for a sunbed or tanning salon. Number 3. Pjordo Self-Tanner Set. The Pjordo Self-Tanner Set is a must-have for anyone looking for a salon-quality tan at home. This set includes a self-tanner mousse, a tanning mitt, and a tanning brush, providing everything you need for a flawless, even tan. The mousse formula is lightweight and easy to apply, ensuring that the product glides smoothly across your skin for a streak-free finish. The mitt helps distribute the tan evenly, while the brush is perfect for touching up hard-to-reach areas. Pjordo Self-Tanner is made with high-quality ingredients that nourish and hydrate the skin, ensuring that it doesn't dry out or become flaky during the tanning process. The formula is fast-drying, so you can go about your day without worrying about it rubbing off onto your clothes or sheets. One of the standout features of this self-tanner is its long-lasting effect. You can expect your tan to last up to a week with proper care. The Pjordo Self-Tanner Set is ideal for those who want an easy-to-use, effective self-tanner that gives them a beautiful, golden glow with minimal effort. Number 4. Coco and Eve Self-Tanner Mousse Kit. Coco and Eve's Self-Tanner Mousse Kit is one of the best self-tanners available, delivering a rich, bronzed glow with a smooth, streak-free application. This product is enriched with natural ingredients like coconut and fig, which help nourish and hydrate the skin while giving it that sun-kissed look. The mousse formula is light and airy, making it easy to apply and ensuring an even tan that lasts for several days. The design of the Coco and Eve Self-Tanner Mousse Kit is user-friendly and stylish, with a convenient pump bottle for easy dispensing. The included mitt ensures an even, streak-free application every time, and it's perfect for beginners who want a flawless tan without the hassle. The product is cruelty-free and vegan, making it a great option for anyone looking for an ethical, skin-friendly product. The quality of this self-tanner is exceptional, providing a natural golden glow that doesn't turn orange or patchy. Whether you're preparing for a vacation or just want a healthy glow all year round, Coco and Eve Self-Tanner Mousse Kit is the perfect choice for achieving a beautiful, radiant tan with ease. Number 5. Skinerals Self-Tanner Mousse. Skinerals Self-Tanner Mousse is a standout product for anyone seeking an ultra-dark, natural tan. This self-tanner mousse is made with organic ingredients, including aloe vera and green tea, which help nourish the skin while providing a deep, rich color. It's designed to dry quickly, so you don't have to wait around for long before getting dressed. The quality of Skinerals self-tanner mousse is outstanding, providing a natural-looking tan that lasts for several days without fading. The product is free from harsh chemicals like parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It's also vegan, cruelty-free, and eco-friendly, aligning with the needs of customers who prefer environmentally conscious products. Usability is a major strength of this self-tanner. The mousse is easy to apply, and it dries quickly, so there's no need to worry about sticky residue. The Skinerals Self-Tanner Mousse is ideal for those who want a deep, dark tan without the risks associated with sun exposure. Number 6. B.tan Ultra Long-Lasting Self-Tanner. If you're looking for a self-tanner that lasts for up to 11 days, the b.tan Ultra Long-Lasting Self-Tanner is the perfect solution. This product is designed for people who want a deep, natural-looking tan that won't fade or rub off quickly. The formula is a fast-drying mousse that's easy to apply and provides an even, streak-free finish. The violet-based formula ensures that your tan has a beautiful brown undertone, preventing any unwanted orange hues. The quality of this self-tanner is excellent, with a formulation that's free from parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. It's also cruelty-free and vegan, making it a great choice for people who want to avoid harmful chemicals and support ethical brands. The tan develops gradually over a few hours, and because of its long-lasting formula, you won't have to reapply as often. It's perfect for those who want a tan that lasts throughout the week without constant upkeep. The b.tan Ultra Long-Lasting Self-Tanner is incredibly effective, providing a deep, rich tan that looks natural and even. The mousse is lightweight and easy to apply, ensuring that you achieve a flawless finish every time. If you're looking for a self-tanner that delivers on both quality and longevity, this is an excellent option. Number 7. Jergens Natural Glow Plus Firming Self-Tanner Jergens Natural Glow Plus Firming. Self-tanner is an excellent choice for those looking to combine a beautiful, natural tan with skincare benefits. This self-tanner is infused with a blend of moisturizing ingredients and anti-aging properties to help firm and tone your skin while providing a natural-looking glow. The formula is designed for fair to medium skin tones, gradually building a tan over time. The quality of Jergens Natural Glow Plus Firming. Self-tanner is exceptional, as it's made with a unique formula that moisturizes the skin while developing a gorgeous tan. The tanning lotion goes on smoothly and absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. It also helps improve skin elasticity, making it ideal for people concerned with the appearance of cellulite or loose skin. The product is easy to use, with a non-greasy formula that doesn't leave a sticky feeling behind. It's effective and lasts for several days, providing a subtle, sun-kissed glow that's perfect for everyday wear. The Jergens Natural Glow Firming Self-tanner is an excellent all-in-one option for those who want a natural tan with the added benefit of skin firming and anti-aging properties. So there you have it, 7 of the best self-tanners for achieving that natural glow you've been craving. Each of these products brings something unique to the table, whether it's long-lasting results, hydration, or a streak-free finish. Remember, choosing the right self-tanner depends on your skin type, tanning goals, and how much time you want to spend on the application. Thanks for watching.